If you want to sound more like a professional voice artist and less like a newbie, here are 5 simple tips you can start using right now so you can sound more like a pro and leave your listeners wanting more. Step 1. Discovering your unique voice. In a sea of voices, finding your own distinct sound is essential. Start by experimenting with different vocal tones, pitches, and styles. Record yourself and listen critically to identify what makes your voice special. Embrace your uniqueness and let it shine through in your performances. Step 2. Mastering vocal techniques. Apart from talent, mastering vocal techniques is crucial. Practice breath control exercises to improve your stamina and maintain consistent delivery. Work on tone modulation to add depth and emotion to your voice. Experiment with projection techniques to ensure your voice carries across different mediums. Remember, practice makes perfect. If you want more voice training exercises, watch till the end, and I'll show you where you can find 70 vocal exercises to improve your voice, so you can boost voice quality and confidence when speaking, singing, or presenting. Step 3. Conquering performance anxiety. Nerves can dampen your performance and hinder your success. Embrace techniques such as deep breathing exercises and visualization to calm your nerves before recording or performing. Prepare diligently. Rehearse your scripts and focus on the joy of storytelling. It's vital that you are able to convey the emotion behind the message. Vital. Confidence comes with practice and preparation, so keep working on it. Step 4. Navigating the competitive industry. Stand out from the crowd by building a strong portfolio that showcases your range and versatility. Create a professional website and reel to attract potential clients. Network with industry professionals through social media platforms and attend voiceover conferences or events, either in person or online. Remember, persistence and proactive marketing are key to finding voiceover opportunities. Step 5. Continuing your journey. Voiceover success is an ongoing pursuit. Stay updated with industry trends and hone your skills through continued education. Join our exclusive Masterclass membership for access to in-depth tutorials, expert guidance, and valuable resources. Subscribe to our channel for regular tips and insights that will propel your voiceover success. Don't miss out on valuable voiceover tips and resources. Click the link somewhere around this video to learn more about our exclusive Voiceover Masterclass membership, where you can take your voiceover skills to the next level. Join us on this exciting journey towards voiceover excellence.